Welcome to Oliver Ford Lincoln, where we tip our hat to you.
Get noticed in this 2012 Ford F-250. If you're looking for an automobile with great attributes, look no further. With a powerful 8-cylinder engine that responds smoothly to its 6-speed automatic transmission, brake safely with the anti-lock braking system. And with these notable features, you won't want to miss out on the opportunity to own this amazing ride. Power steering. And for your peace of mind, the following safety equipment is included: front ventilated disc brakes, passenger airbag, side airbag, curtain head airbags, stability control. Our website offers more information on all of our vehicles. Call us today to start test driving.
Oliver Ford is just off US 31 at 1001 East Jefferson in Plymouth, Indiana. For new or pre-owned vehicles and award-winning service, come see us.